Project management, social cost, social benefit, social cost benefit analysis. First, criteria for social cost benefit analysis. The objective function of cost CBA is the establishment of net social benefits, which can be expressed as NSB is equal to benefits minus cost. If the private investment happen to be very large, even a high value of B minus C upon I may be less beneficial to the economy, thus the creation would not give satisfactory result. The social cost benefit analysis. 2. Identifying benefits and cost. Identifying benefits and cost is essential for the evaluation of benefits and costs of a project. Identifying benefits. A project is evaluated on the basis of benefits accruing from it. Benefits refer to the addition to the flow of income accruing from a project. A project is beneficial to the extent it tends to increase the income of the people. Increase in income being measured by the actual increase in production and consumption. Benefits may be real or nominal and direct or indirect. Real or nominal benefits. In CBA, we are concerned with the real benefits rather than with the nominal benefits flowing from a project. A River Valley project may increase irrigation facilities to the cultivators, but if at the same time the state leaves heavy betterment levy on them, the benefits is nominal. For whatever benefits accrues from the project, it goes to the treasury. The same project, like increasing irrigational facilities, raises the productivity of land per acre and leads to the number of other external economies whereby the level of real income of the farmer raises, then it leads of real benefits. Direct and indirect benefits. Direct benefits are those benefits which are immediately and directly obtained from the project. They are the values of the immediate products and services for which direct costs are incurred. Direct benefits वही होते हैं जो direct, immediately और directly obtained हो जाते हैं projects. A number of direct and immediate benefits flow from the multi-purpose river valley projects such as flood control, irrigation, and navigational facilities. The development of fisheries, power, etc. A project may also lead to certain indirect or external benefits. These are the benefits to the non-user of the project. For instance, the construction of the Bhakra Nangal project has led to the construction of new railway line connecting Nangal township and the Bhakra Dam with the rest of the country. New roads have been laid, a new town, Nangal has come up. A fertilizer factory has been started there, which is the harbinger of more factories. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been developed into a tourist resort, thereby augmenting income. Usually, external benefits are non-monetary, but sometimes they may result in direct financial benefits. Tangible and intangible benefits. A project may also lead to a tangible or intangible benefits. Tangible benefits are those which can be computed and measured in terms of money, while intangible benefits cannot be measured in terms of money. Intangible benefits enter into individual evaluation for which there is neither market nor a price. Identifying costs. Just as there are various forms of benefits, so there are various types of costs. Project cost, indirect or secondary cost, real and nominal equity cost, primary or direct cost, external cost. There are two types of cost: monetary and non-monetary cost. Monetary, that result to the loss of profit to competitors. In the case of Delhi Metro, external monetary cost includes the loss of the profit to the other transport operators such as wheeler, buses, taxis. Non-monetary, this includes pollution, another type of inconvenience to local residents. Construction of the airport may lead to external resulting from its operations such as noise. Conclusion: thus in evaluating a project, we are to identify, compute, and compare its total direct benefits and total direct cost. If it is found that the benefits are expected to be more than the cost, it will be beneficial to undertake the project rather than not cost. हम लास्ट में ये कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, हमें अपनी कॉस्ट और अपने बेनिफिट्स को कंपेयर करना, और हम अपने आप को वो चाहते हैं, हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि बेनिफिट ज़्यादा हो कॉस्ट से. थैंक यू.